Hi there, just checking out the weather data for next 10 days for most of Europe and obviously more importantly UK and Ireland. For the last, I have to say, not even weeks, even months, it's been completely disgraceful weather here. And it looks like, unfortunately, it's set to continue. Here on the left you can see the storm front is central of the low pressure system, the strongest winds right around it, about to hit the west coast of Ireland and parts of the western Scotland, so the net is going to go, fortunately in this case it will be further out in the ocean, but it could have been much worse. So the 6 hours later in the evening the strongest winds will be just around here, which basically is in the middle of the ocean. Rest of Europe, as you can see, reasonably calm, but there'll still be some rain. But let's just check out what's the wind looks like for the next 10 days. If you just press animation, this goes further. So that's the Frank gun here, but there are more low pressure systems coming in from the Atlantic. So that's another one coming in on the 1st, 2nd January. Then there is another one coming in. Another one here in the south. Another one there with a bit period of calmness, and then there's another low pressure system which could hit quite hard, and I guess there will be quite uncertainty about this one here, which is 7th and 8th of January, so it's a bit too far, but usually this website is reasonably accurate. In terms of the rain, unfortunately much more rain to come. The green here is snow. So if you just fast forward it down here and just press play, you can see there'll be quite some rain for UK and Ireland coming in tonight. And even some parts, you can see quite a few parts of Europe going to get some rain and snow. That's another low pressure with some rain. This is particularly bad news for some areas which affected here in northern parts of England. Been suffering from flooding quite badly in the last couple weeks. Fortunately, there's more rain to come, and there's no sign of the settled weather at all anytime soon, at least. So it's another one. Most of Europe, you can see, can have some snow and rain as well as a result of these things. And just the last thing to have a look at is the temperature. In terms of the temperature, the winter finally more or less arrives to the eastern parts or northern parts of Europe, with temperatures dropping in some places up to -15, even -20 degrees at night. And so the winter pretty much kicks off most of Europe. And yeah, the best place to be now, if you want to get some warmth, is parts of southern Portugal and southern Spain here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So apart from continuous rain and wind in UK and Ireland, and the arrival of winter in Eastern Europe here, there's nothing much else is expected in the next 10 days.